The shaped scallops is a crescent shaped stitch. Outline it using the running stitch. Then fill it in with more running stitches. These stitches will make the padded effect. After working enough running stitches, start working blanket stitches to cover the background. Keep the stitches close to each other to cover the ground as much as possible. This stitch is a great example of how you can make other shapes with this method. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have. Please do not forget to check the description for the link to my ebook store, where you can find my most popular book on 300 stitches and more. If you like this video and wish to support me, I have provided a link to my Patreon account in the description. I'm Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you so much for watching.